so we're gonna follow right up this street. It's kind of a cool street. You can tell just by this kind of green and purple and yellow. It's kind of a cool looking building already. And anyways, we're going to talk more about that and go right up that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are looking at some of this cool architecture here. So we got this really cool looking building, and what we're gonna do is walk straight up this way and show you all the stuff that's on the way. Taiwan fruit tea on the corner, and then right up here to the left and the right, I'll show you both in a second. So there's this one, and you got this kind of cool building with this one as well. Let's just kind of capture it like this. So you got that cool looking thing right there. Those balconies. Amazing. Really beautiful. Okay, let's step out of the street a little bit. Then down this street is actually where they created the video for Psy. So Psy had the new face, and he filmed it in Macau, and he filmed in some of the casinos, like Venetian was one, and he also filmed on this one. There's a dance scene where Psy is dancing in the street. Maybe you've seen it. If you look up New Face, you can definitely see it. But yeah, that's this street. I've walked up here many times and filmed got at least 4 or 5 of them like that. So I'm not gonna walk up it today. I'm gonna walk up this other street, this one. And I've walked up that way too, but I want to keep it kind of consistent. And let's just start over here. I just want to show you the street sign. There you go. Rua de Joa de Almeida. Here's another street sign, so I guess that might be one going that way, and then this one is Rua de Volong. You can see that there, and then this one is Calçada de Church of São Lazaro. So that's where we're going to be going right now. So we're going to walk up this, kind of want to walk, there's this car coming up, kind of want to walk in the middle of the road there, which you can usually do. We can do it now. So, okay. So yeah, this street is pretty cool. So São Lazaro. So and then this one right here is Church of San Jose. The reason to keep on going up. Here's a map if you want to see. You are here. Gia Hill is not too far away. Under construction. That's usually a pretty cool building. I mean, it still is, but you just can't see it. What's this car? Looks pretty cool. Hustler. These Hustlers are cool cars. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up. Then this is another. I see this street sometimes filmed as well, so we're gonna film it as too. But yeah, something's really beautiful about this whole little area of these streets. It's very Portuguese and very pedestrian friendly too. Not so much through traffic in this way. All the through traffic is behind me. There's kind of a main road up there, and it's kind of the more thorough way. So there's really no reason to take a car up in this area. Then you can see some of it is blocked anyways. So there's another pretty cool street. Really cool architecture, right? Car coming up this one, so we get out of the way for this one. And now you can see how beautiful the street is. Rua de São Miguel. Okay. Suddenly a lot of traffic, and you can also see right here there's this little stuff means that the cars can't go through it, so that's kind of a nice thing. Show some of the colors. So you got this beautiful light green one, it's cemetery up there, and then of course all these beautiful colors as well, and the road color is really beautiful too. Okay, so we're gonna walk up here. Alberque SEM. This is kind of like a little art center. So we're definitely gonna show a little bit of it. Looks like it's open today. It's been closed for a while, I think because of COVID. Haven't really seen any events in here in quite a while. but we're definitely going to go into here as well. And this one could be its all own video. So I think that's actually what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come back out here, and then we're going to just look up and down this street, and then we're going to end this street in a minute. So we're gonna go up these stairs, but this is the street that we were just on right here. So hope you like this one. And we're gonna end it right here. So I hope you enjoyed this little part of Macau. It's kind of in the newer part, but you can follow some of the street signs and see what it's all about. Chiquinha, chiquinha, oh.